Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal and I am a big project painter, but I also love to get really good deals. And this time of the year usually can get me here and there, and I did pick up a few items from Kohl's actually. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from the Sephora at Kohl's, just keep on watching. And if you like videos like this, I hope you consider giving me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I have this here. This is I think it's the IWN Beauty. It's the lip glaze vault. It's a limited edition set. So it has 8 of the best-selling lip oils for a gorgeous pout. So this is what it looks like, and this bag is so soft. It is so nice, and I have used some of these oils in the past. I have a couple in my collection right now, and I like them so much that I did want to try these. So there's so many different ones here. I'll go ahead and show you them. I'm going to take them out and then I'll show you what's in this box or this bag. First one in here, it looks like this. This is the shade Merlot. And so this is what the box looks like. It's really, really cute. And this one smells like grapes. I can confirm because I did go ahead at least open up and smell it. And that's what's amazing about this set too. These all have different scents, which is, I love that. I just think it's so fun. I have a collection of scented makeup products that I absolutely love, and they get me almost every time. I have a bunch from Too Faced. I have some other Tarte ones, and now I have these. So this is what the color looks like, and I really love it. Oh, Physicians Formula. That's another one that I have that has scented around the holiday. So this one is the scent of grapes, or tastes like grapes, I should say. So I think that's really cute idea, and I like that color quite a bit. This one is the candy apple one. I think I have one of these in my collection as well. I think this is part of a set the last time, and I didn't get the big set last time. I think it was only 2 or 3, but this is what it looks like, and again, it smells really good. These all smell really good, and even though I haven't actually put them on, I've used the other ones in my collection, and I can definitely say they do have a scent and taste, so they're really nice. Next one here is the fruit punch one. I think that's really cute. Look at that little sticker over there to tell you which one is on the box, which I think is just a cute little extra for the box, I think. And when you open it up, it looks like this one here. So that's a different, I don't have a lot of colors like this in my collection, and I think it's nice. So I'll go ahead, show you the next one. This one is Pina Colada. So there we go. Again, that cute little sticker telling you which one this one is. And I'll go ahead and show you the color. So that's the color for Pina Colada. Really cute. I like that. I like that shade. It's pretty glittery. A lot of these are pretty glittery, but I really see the glitter in this one. The next one here is actually cookies. Or cookie. So there you go. I'm assuming this one's like a brown, maybe? Oh, no. So that's its cookie. It definitely reminds me of a cookie, I must say. Put that one back. The next one here is, this is the mystery one. So I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like. I will show you what it says when it says mystery. Maybe I will actually tell you what this one is, just in case you want to go out and buy it for yourself. But I will show you the color. So that is the color, and I must say, I do like this color. It's very, very pink. I like it, but it's kind of like a see-through pink. So there we go. I'm just going to have to smell this, though, just to see. But I'm not going to tell you. I will say it's very sweet. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's a sweeter kind of a scent. And this next one here is Fruity Cereal. So there we go. That's really kind of cool there. I mean, this set is adorable, I have to say. And I love the idea behind it. There's this here, really pretty pink. And then there's one more in here. And this one is Frosse. I hope I'm saying that right. So that's what this one is. And let's see what the color is on this one. Let's see. Oh, and this one is, oh, I like that. It's just a really subtle pink. I like that quite a bit. Everyone, so I did pick this one up. I was going back and forth if I wanted it. This is from Tarte. This is the Kindness Cafe. So it comes with 2 lip glosses, or it's actually a juicy lip. and a lip plump and 2 mascaras. So they're saying that you can actually take these apart and gift them separately if you wanted to. And I'm not going to. I'm actually going to keep this set because, again, I'm a sucker for the scented stuff. And I don't think anyone would like it as much as I would, honestly, anyway. But so when you take it apart, this is what it looks like. And I'll open it up. Well, I take that back. My sister might like this, but I don't think she wears eyeshadow anymore, so it really wouldn't make any sense for her. No one else, so I don't think would either. But this is how small it is. I kind of was surprised how small this was. I was expecting, since I saw it online, that it would be bigger, but this one is the Tartelette and Hot Cocoa. And when you open it up, which is, get it open here, there we go. So this is what it looks like. I like these quite a bit. I love the golds, and it definitely smells like hot cocoa. I think this is adorable. And again, it comes with a lip plump, and I don't know. Oh, here we go. This one is in the, oh, this one also tastes or smells like hot cocoa according to them. So that's what it looks like. I haven't actually opened this to look. So, okay. I'm not going to push it up right now, but that's the color, and I think that's going to be a really nice color. I'm trying to smell if it's hot cocoa. You know, I can smell it a very little bit, but not very much. And then I've already had this Tartelette Tubing Mascara. It's not my favorite, but I will use it. I just like other tubing mascaras a little bit more, to be honest with you. But I'll go ahead and show you the other half. So the other half looks like this again, and has mascara, and this one is a lip oil, I believe. Wait, Juicy Lip. So, and the shade is Creme Brulee. So that's what this looks like. See what this shade looks like. So there we go. It's Creme Brulee. I think that's really nice. Subtle. I like it quite a bit. And they gave the Tarte Platinum Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And I'm going to get this one out of here somehow. There we go. Another really small palette right here. And this one is the Tartelette Creme Brulee. And these are a little hard to open, or I don't have any nails. But this is what this one looks like. It's a little bit more subtle, I think, than the other palette, but still really nice. And it smells really good as well. And this is a really great set. I definitely recommend. I have a few more items here, actually a few more sets of items, and I will say I had gotten Kohl's Cash, which is also amazing. When I shop from Kohl's, I get the Kohl's Cash with the Sephora order, of course, because they kind of combine. So I ended up getting a few of these things, and I ended up getting $85 in Kohl's Cash, which is nice because I needed to buy some coats for my kids, so that went so in handy. And I think it's just great. So to me, that's just like extra cash on top of already maybe nice discounted sets, which I don't know that these are that cheap. They're not that cheap, but they're fun to have for Christmas. And if you're going to buy them anyway, or you're thinking of going to buy them, I would buy them from Kohl's. You have to have Kohl's credit card because you can get those, you know, benefits from that. And to me, it makes it a little more worthwhile to buy from, you know, Sephora at Kohl's. At least you can get a little bit extra off, in my opinion. I mean, it's not extra money off, but you can use the Kohl's Cash for anything. Anyway, I'm rambling on. So this here is the Too Faced, and this is the Kissing Jelly Twice Upon a Time. This is a limited edition lip oil, as you can see. And I have, this one here is the bubblegum one. So go ahead and show you. Look how pretty this is. Very glittery, and it does smell like bubblegum, I must say. This one is the hybrid. I don't remember what this smells like, but this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to take this out and try to smell it. This one doesn't have a smell. Okay, well, that's weird. At least if it does have a smell, it's very faint, and I can't really smell it. But really cute set. I have the couple from last year that was 2-in-1, and I actually got it after the holidays. When I saw this, I love that one so much. I just really wanted to pick this one up as well. So again, this is what the box looks like. I think it's fun. And it says, oh, it says that this blue one is supposed to smell like a blue snow cone. So I don't really get that. Or maybe I just can't smell anything right now. My allergies might be acting up, but in all, I think it's a really cute set. I have 3 more things. This is from Tarte. This is the maracuja juicy triple threat. That's a mouth to get out. So that's what it looks like, and there is, doesn't say, other than it says all-in-one balm, gloss, color, and hydrating treatment. It says that it has the juiciest, drenches lips, and a slick, wet look finish. And yeah, so it doesn't really say too much about it. I was looking for like what the colors would be, or you know, the shades. But so the first one here is Orchid. I haven't opened this up to look at these yet, but this is Orchid. And when you open it up, this is the color here. That's a really pretty color. Kind of tame, but pretty at the same time, not too bright. This next one here is called Cherry Blossom. So I did see this one listed on the box, but that was the only one I saw. So I don't know why they didn't. Oh, I'll show you the color. I don't know why they didn't list this one on the box, but there we go. And then the last one here is called Shimmering Cinnamon. So again, oops, sorry, my ugly finger again. I'm trying to get it to heal. I got a bruise at work, but there's this color here. That's a pretty color. I really think that's pretty. That's very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back, and I'll take out the next one. So this one is the Tarte Kindness Cafe Little Treats. And so this is what the box looks like. It's pretty cute. Has this, I guess they're thinking like an ornament. That's cute. Kind of cute. So it has a melt mask and cobbler, a lip plump, and a lip oil and cookie butter. So I'll go ahead and see what these look like. I haven't used these yet either, so I really wanted to try these out. So this one looks, this is the, it does it say on here which one this is? No. So anyway, this is what it looks like, and I don't know if I can get a better, no, because it's one of these here, which I'm not going to pump it out, but I'll go real close. That's the shade here. It must be like a clear with a glitter on there. That's kind of nice. This one here is Dulce de Leche. Oh, this one was cookie butter. I guess it's right on the bottom. I barely found where they had this name. This one's the cookie butter. This one is Dulce de Leche. So, oh, this one might be a little different. Okay, this one's different. Definitely different. So, if it'll focus, this has a bunch of glitter on here also. This is very, very nice. And then the last one is the cobbler. So I think I can open this and show, oh no, this one's different too. This one has a look like this. I've never used. This would be very interesting to use, honestly. So I don't think this has a color. I think it's just like a chapstick type thing. So I'll go ahead. I have one more item that I purchased, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. The last thing I picked up was this Kindness Cafe, and this one all had different flavors, different scents, things like that. And it says it's s'mores, coconut cream pie, strawberry shortcake, apple crisp, and sugar cookie. Look at how cute this little, that's adorable, I gotta say. I might put that on a keychain later, but I'll go ahead and take these out. All right, try to keep them in order, not that it matters, but this one here is the sugar cookie. So I guess I have another sugar cookie I could gift, maybe, or I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these yet. This one here is the s'mores one. And oh, it's another one of these. Have you guys used these? Because I have never seen these until, well, honestly, I'm not looking for new lipsticks and lip glosses normally, but Christmas time I kind of do try to find some fun stuff. This one here is the apple crisp. So let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, this one's just a normal. That's pretty. That is very, very pretty. And there's two more here. This one is in the shade Strawberry Shortcake. And it's good. It's just one of these. I'm used to lipsticks or lip glosses like this, so I'm glad they have a lot of those ones in here. Hopefully we'll like the other ones. And the last one in here is Coconut Cream Pie. And there we go. So that is a really pretty color as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. I absolutely love what I have found, and I went back and forth to see if I really wanted them, but I'm so glad that I picked these up, and I don't know if I'm going to be gifting some of these or keeping them. I don't know. I just know this time of the year they have some really great deals out there, things that I really want to try, but I haven't in the past picked anything up because usually I don't find, or I don't want to pay full price for one on anything, and So I think the best time if you're trying to find something for friends, family, or you just want to try something new is Christmas time or the holidays. So thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. And if you are a project planner, I am wishing you well. I'm not saying you have to buy anything, of course. If you're on a no buy or a low buy, that's great. This hot time of the year, I end up always picking up at least a couple of items. So thanks again for watching. Please consider giving me a big thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.